and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I hope all the fathers had a great Father's Day. I did. We went to the Giants game in San Francisco, and then we went up to Moylan's up in Nevada, where I got to eat my favorite Reuben sandwich and my favorite stout, the Dragoon's Irish Dry Stout. I even brought some home. Yes, the photos are up there. And I will get the photos up from dinner as well, because I took the night off. Saturday, I prepared poached salmon in coconut lime sauce with Greek lemon roasted baby potatoes. Oh, excellent, excellent meal. The photos are up there. I shared it with many of you. I will get both of these recipes up this morning. Remember, I took yesterday off. It was Father's Day. So I will get the recipes up. They're very good. It's very simple. There's no really weird ingredients in the salmon. Yeah. Tonight, I'm taking it, this is extremely easy. I'm doing biscuits and gravy with a side of scrambled eggs. So let's get to it. I already got the hardware going. Yes. Jimmy Dean, breakfast sausage. Milk, flour. I'm cheating. Unless one of you would love to share your favorite biscuit recipe with me, I'm using, tube biscuits. Kosher salt, lots of black pepper, and some eggs. Again, I'm taking it easy. I got pretty good week though. Pretty good week. I will share again what the schedule is for this week. It's a full week. But some goodies. Now, I might add some hash browns, at least to mine, to make a mess. Yes. I had an old friend, a guy I used to work with, many, many moons ago, about the same time I met Robin. We both worked for Yuba County, introduced me to the mess. Wow. And I have had messes all over Northern California, and everybody does them just a little differently. Some add cheese, some don't, some add eggs, some don't. You know, it all depends on the cook. Whoever's slaving away in the kitchen, they add their own little touch. I like mine very different ways. So, on this Monday, and for those of you traveling into Marysville, like Robin does, I don't envy you for the next several days. It's going to be bedlam. Yes. That's all I'm going to say on that matter. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.